I decided to join UT Dallas back in fall of 2011. I heard about a new undergraduate biomedical engineering program being started here at UT Dallas. I learned about the different biological, material science-based, and engineering approaches that are used to solve real-world problems. What really appealed to me was how that research directly translates into diagnostic tools and medical devices that are used to directly benefit the patient population.
When you look at UT Dallas, that's one of their primary goals. They want to focus on research and they put a lot of money towards research. So that's kind of where it fit with me and why I really think that I was attracted towards UT Dallas.
We want these kids to be able to do what they want to do. The program is designed to make sure that we give them a choice to choose their career. By having the technical background, they can really pick. The program is designed to make sure that these kids have the engineering skills and talents required to be successful no matter where they go.
Whenever I thought about what I wanted to do research in, I wanted to broaden my horizons a little bit, get outside of my comfort zone. And when I saw all the interesting research that was happening in the Biomedical Engineering Department, that's just something that I wanted to be a part of.
When I found out about biomedical engineering in one of my classes, I really loved that it could engage my creative side as well as apply the sciences that I wanted to go into in the first place. I thought the biomedical engineering program encompassed both of those things really well.
I was really surprised at the difficulty of the program, which was a good thing. I hadn't heard of the program and I'd never been to Texas, that maybe this was a really good opportunity to get my feet into a new lab and help get a program started in some really interesting research.
There's over 20 research faculty in the department. We have a bunch of adjunct faculty and faculty that work with us from the medical school, UT Southwestern. And so there's a wide range to choose from, everything from tissue engineering to sensor design to neural engineering to biomaterials and biomechanics.
My research is focused on the testing of neural devices.
On medical micro devices.
We make liquid crystal polymers.
Evaluation of zirconia as an alternative biomaterial for dental implant systems. I will be examining and investigating how bacteria adhere and attach to zirconia surfaces.
What I'm doing with those polymers is making them respond to aqueous environments and to water.
It's all about biosensing, so it's about detecting molecules within human solutions.
We're hoping that the neurological devices that we fabricate and characterize in the lab can be used to treat neurological diseases more effectively.
It was definitely stressful at the beginning because you're just sitting in the lab saying, I don't want to mess up. But then eventually you just get into a comfort zone wherever you become comfortable enough with all the equipment you're using that it's almost a second nature. At this point, it is second nature to me to use.
We have the clinicians working with us, telling us what their problems are, and then we're engineering solutions to those specific problems. It's a really productive way of doing research, and it also trains the students to really think about the deeper issues. It's not just the technical problem, it's the practical implications. How do I build a device that will operate in a surgery suite? How do I build a device that the patients can take home? If you don't have those partners, you just don't think about it.
I find the faculty very helpful, helping me with homework, spending extra time, even late at night going through test reviews.
Dr. Ware sits right next to us, and so he's always there in our daily lives, so he's not really an absentee professor.
The bioengineering program at UT Dallas is focused on student success. We are putting in place all the resources necessary for students to come here and to achieve their goals and their dreams. And it's just a matter of them taking advantage of what we're providing.
The UT Dallas and UT Southwestern research, both of them have showed me what the real world is like in a sense. To have your own project, you make your own decisions on the project, you figure out what the next step to take is, and then see it come to completion and reach an end goal, that's been really rewarding.
It is a challenging major, but the real-world aspect and what you can do with the major and how many people's lives you can change with it is really what keeps you going.